Yasmin, and today I'm going to be doing a simple, well to me, a simple makeup tutorial or makeup look today. So let's get started. I'm going to mainly be using this mirror while the camera's catching, and I have to hurry. So I've already moisturized my face, so I'm just going with a quick cheap primer. This is like a smoothing primer. Then I've got my foundation I'm going to be using from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me foundation in the matte with shade 360. Now you want to just go in with your makeup sponge and just apply that foundation. It's my eggs, I don't care anymore. More. No, you have to be kidding me right now. Concealers from Shein. They're the She Glam concealers in shade Nutmeg and in shade Almond. So I'm going to use the lighter shade in Almond and just go towards the inner corner. Then I'm going to use the darker shade on everything else. Too much. Everything's filthy. And blend the other side. I went ahead and blended my foundation and concealer, so now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Bare Focus. I forgot what it's called. What's it called? Translucent powder. Wet n Wild Bare Focus Clarifying Finishing Translucent powder. I think that's what it is. So I'm gonna put some on the sponge. I'm only gonna apply it to the areas that I've done my concealer on. And so when I add it like this or apply it to the brush, I'm gonna just go ahead and just tap off the excess so it doesn't get too white. Now I'm gonna just go in with it. With my Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressing Powder or Pressed Powder in shade 355. There's barely anything in here. Hold on. It's in there. You see? Now I'm gonna just go in with my You Can Be All Day Fixer Setting Spray. With this palette that I got from Temu. I've done it before. Trust the process. Trust it. I'm gonna first start with a black on the outside. Put it on the base of your lids or whatever. I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use the black. It's a crappy pigment, so if I mess up, it's okay. It won't be noticeable anyway. I'm gonna start with some black. Ooh. All along. I'm gonna go in with this purple. With this purple one. Perfect. I'm gonna go in with, of course, it says Jaded. My Jaded palette from AliExpress. And go in with this purple glitter color. going to attempt to fix my eyebrows, which really just consists of me brushing them with a little bit of mascara, because I still don't know how to do them. I just go brush them. And then now I'm gonna go in with my last mascara that I got from Temu. You can just search up black mascara and you should be able to find this. Alright, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna quickly slip in, of course, using the same brush because I don't have my other ones. But I'm gonna use this blush that I got from Maybelline Fit Me, or is it Fit Me? It is Maybelline Fit Me New York in the shade Berry. Yes, Berry Bay, unless I'm saying that wrong. B-A-I-E, not sure. Yet again, tuck up the extra. I'm gonna just go in lastly with my Half Lashes that I also got from Temu and Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive that I got from Amazon. I went to Victoria's Secret and I bought I think like 6 or 8 lip glosses and it cost me almost $100. So I'm gonna go back in one final time with just a tiny dab of powder. I can grab it with my foot. But the side that I need is mostly dry. I'm gonna attempt I did 1. 2. Oh yeah. 4. Then I'm gonna go with my fixing spray. Fixing spray by Revolution. Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. Don't hold this too close to your face because this thing like lets out a lot at one time. Take it from me. I had to learn my lesson the hard way. I'm gonna open it. Ooh. And this is what it looks like in my hand. Alright, let's go. So I have this nice, cute pixie cut wig. One day, whatever that day may be, I wish I could like zoom in and see if where's the wig? Let's get my thumbnail photo. And there you have it. That's my easy, simple makeup look tutorial-ish. Well, yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And leave a comment on how you liked it. Oh, hold on. Let me redo that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you smash that like button and hit subscribe and turn on your notifications for more videos. And yeah, there you have it. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day and Happy New Year.